Is your Spanish Fort, Alabama HVAC contractor truly local? You're looking for the best heating and cooling contractor in Spanish Fort. You need service, and you need it fast. But wait, are you calling a truly local HVAC company or one pretending to be local? Pay attention. Many HVAC companies in Baldwin County aren't locally owned anymore. They've been purchased by out-of-state corporations, and homeowners can feel the difference. Make sure to ask this important question. Are you truly local? Yes. Mallard Air Heating and Cooling is recognized as the best of Alabama for HVAC excellence and featured in USA Today. You get the best HVAC service from a real local contractor. When it's time to upgrade or maintain your heating and cooling system, there's just one name to call. Based in Spanish Fort, Alabama, Mallard Air Heating and Cooling serves Daphne, Fairhope, and all of Baldwin County. Call 251-225-4035 today.